Hello, this video will walk you through how to make edits to your profile within Symplectic Elements. If you are a faculty member, you can start by logging into Elements. Go to faculty.tufts.edu. Once you have logged in, select the Edit Your Profile button located below your name and image. Your profile page will display in Edit mode. To toggle between Edit mode and View mode, click the button on the top right. For now, we will leave the profile in edit mode as we will begin making changes to the profile. Before we begin making any edits, take note of the two icons you'll see as you move through your profile, the lock icon and the pencil icon. Any field that has the lock icon next to it means that field can't be edited. A field is locked because it is automatically populated with data from various Tufts source systems. However, any field with a pencil icon means that field can be edited. Let's start with the profile picture. If you want to add a photo, click Manage Photo. A pop-up will display prompting you to upload a photo. After you upload the photo, you can resize it to your satisfaction and then click Save to add it to your profile. To edit the About section, either click the pencil icon or click directly into the text field. You will now be able to make changes to the About Me section. To save your changes, click on the green check mark. To cancel your changes, click on the X button. We are going to save the changes. The same process can be used for research interests, a place to list your areas of interest, and teaching summary, where you can summarize your teaching activities or goals. For demonstration purposes, we will be leaving these fields blank. Fields of research is a section where you can add your fields of research to your profile. To add a field of research, click the pencil icon and a pop-up will display. The left-hand column contains all the available fields you can select from. The right-hand column contains any selections that have already been made. Clicking on a value will move it from the left to the right, and vice versa. Because the fields of research is a structured and controlled ontology created and maintained by the Australian Bureau of Statistics, the list cannot be customized. It is possible that your specific field of research may not be available in this list. If you run into this situation, you can choose the closest relevant match to your field of research. Now let's take a look at our academic and non-academic appointments. If you are a Tufts faculty member, your Tufts appointments are automatically populated for you in your profile. To add other academic appointments, for example, if you have another academic appointment outside of Tufts, you can add it to your profile by clicking on the Add Academic Appointment button. You can also add non-academic employment by clicking on the Add a Non-Academic Employment link. We are going to add an academic appointment. A new menu is displayed with empty fields. Fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. While some fields are optional, it is always best to fill out as much information as possible in order to have the most complete data. If you click the blue icon on the right, additional fields will display. We are going to fill out all the fields and click the green check mark to save the changes. The same process is used to fill out any of the fields that fall under the education heading. If you can either speak or read a foreign language, this should be entered in the Language Competencies section. Click Add a Language Competency. Enter in the language. For this example, we will enter Portuguese. Elements will ask you to specify the level of competency you have with the language you've listed. We're going to select all the options that display. If you would like to add a web address to your profile, you can do so by clicking the Add a Web Address button. The only mandatory field here is the URL field. You can add just about any website here, a personal website, a company website, a blog, Google Scholar, LinkedIn, etc. We're going to add a Google Scholar account to the profile. For the purpose of the demo, we are just entering the generic scholar.google.com in this field, but you should add your own specific link. Once this has been added, it will appear in the External Profile section located at the top right-hand corner of the profile page. If you continue to scroll down below the website section, you will see other parts of your Elements profile: publications, professional activities, teaching activities, and grants. These are all separate sections that are not covered in this video. When you return to the top of the page, you will see a CV and Reports button. Clicking that will bring up a window that allows you to export your profile in various formats. You can also specify a date range you wish to export. In this case, we are exporting an academic CV with no date range in PDF format. This will give us a full academic CV. Once the CV has been generated, open it to verify the contents. This completes the walkthrough of your profile.